Every generation of cameras reaches a point where improving image quality alone is no longer enough. Today's creators expect more than sharper video or higher resolution. They want equipment that helps them tell better stories while remaining small enough to carry everywhere. That changing expectation is exactly why the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4P has attracted so much attention. Although DJI has not officially announced the camera, ongoing industry reports suggest the company could be preparing a premium compact gimbal camera aimed at creators who want professional features in an incredibly portable package. The Pocket series has always been built around simplicity. Pull it out of your pocket, power it on, and start recording within seconds. That convenience has made previous models popular among travel vloggers, journalists, documentary filmmakers, and everyday content creators. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, however, appears to be targeting a slightly different audience. Instead of replacing the standard model, current rumors suggest it is being designed for creators who regularly demand more creative control over their footage without giving up portability. One of the biggest reasons for the growing excitement is the rumored camera system. Several reports indicate that DJI may continue using a large 1-inch sensor, a choice that already provides excellent image quality in compact cameras. A larger sensor typically delivers cleaner low-light performance, richer colors, and improved dynamic range, allowing creators to preserve more detail in both bright highlights and deep shadows. Rather than reinventing the camera from scratch, DJI seems to be refining a platform that has already proven successful. The rumored addition of a variable aperture could be one of the most meaningful upgrades. Unlike cameras with a fixed aperture, a variable system gives users direct control over the amount of light entering the lens. That flexibility becomes especially useful when moving between indoor and outdoor environments or shooting during changing weather conditions. It also allows filmmakers to create a more natural background blur without depending entirely on software processing, giving footage a more cinematic appearance straight out of the camera. Another feature attracting considerable attention is the possibility of a dedicated telephoto lens. Compact cameras have traditionally been limited to a single focal length, forcing creators to change their position whenever they want a different perspective. If the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P includes an optical telephoto camera, users could move effortlessly between wide scenic shots and tighter compositions while maintaining full image quality. For travel filmmaking, interviews, architecture, wildlife, and street content, this added flexibility could dramatically expand creative possibilities. Video recording is also expected to receive substantial improvements. While DJI has not confirmed any specifications, industry speculation points toward higher resolution recording modes alongside advanced slow-motion capabilities. Higher frame rates allow creators to capture fast-moving action and transform those moments into smooth cinematic sequences during editing. Whether recording sporting events, travel adventures, or commercial productions, additional recording options provide more creative freedom without requiring larger equipment. DJI's reputation for stabilization remains one of its greatest strengths, and expectations are naturally high for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. The company's mechanical gimbal technology has consistently delivered remarkably smooth footage while walking, running, or tracking moving subjects. Reports suggest DJI may further improve stabilization through software refinements and more intelligent motion compensation, helping creators achieve polished results with minimal effort. Artificial intelligence is expected to play an even larger role in the overall shooting experience. Improved face recognition, smarter active track performance, and enhanced subject prediction could make solo content creation easier than ever. Instead of constantly monitoring framing, creators could focus on their presentation while allowing the camera to maintain smooth, reliable tracking automatically. These intelligent features have become increasingly valuable as more creators produce videos without dedicated camera operators. Workflow efficiency is another area where meaningful improvements may arrive. Rumors suggest the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P could feature faster internal storage, quicker file transfers, and stronger wireless connectivity with smartphones and computers. For professionals producing content on tight deadlines, reducing transfer times and simplifying file management can be just as valuable as improvements in camera hardware. Battery performance also remains an important consideration. Compact cameras must balance size, recording power, and heat management, particularly when capturing high-resolution video. Several reports suggest DJI may increase battery capacity while improving thermal efficiency, allowing the camera to sustain demanding recording modes for longer periods. Longer operating times would benefit travel creators, documentary filmmakers, and anyone working away from convenient charging locations. Physically, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is expected to remain true to the design philosophy that made the series successful. Instead of becoming larger, it will likely preserve its compact form while introducing refinements to the touchscreen interface, control layout, and accessory support. Better compatibility with wireless microphones, external handles, remote controls, and other accessories would further expand its usefulness for professional productions. Many people are also wondering where the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P fits within DJI's broader lineup. Based on current speculation, the answer appears straightforward. The standard Pocket model would continue serving creators who prioritize affordability, portability, and simplicity, while the Pro version would target users who require additional creative tools. This strategy allows DJI to serve both casual creators and professionals without forcing unnecessary compromises on either group. Even with that uncertainty, anticipation continues to build. The rumored combination of a large sensor, optical telephoto capability, improved stabilization, intelligent tracking, faster workflows, and professional creative controls has made the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P one of the most closely watched compact cameras currently in development. If DJI successfully delivers these upgrades while maintaining the portability that defines the Pocket series, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P could become one of the most versatile filmmaking tools available for creators who want professional results without carrying a full-sized camera system.